What is up, guys? Welcome back. We got a new video today, and today we are doing another beauty subscription box unboxing because I'm kind of obsessed. No shame, but I'm already ready to get into this. I've been waiting forever for this box. This one took like 3 weeks, but I heard that it's really awesome and worth the wait, so we're gonna find out right now. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Okay. Oops. Okay. So I don't know if that's what's in here, so I'm not gonna look. This is what the box looks like. Nice amount of things, decent. So let's see. Glam Glow first. Let's see if that'll focus. Glam Glow. I see this at Sephora all the time. I've actually wanted to try it because my skin is not the best. It smells like toothpaste. But I'm excited to try this. This is a skin mask. So this is a mud skin mask. We're gonna try this. I've been wanting to try it. I don't know if there's different color boxes at Sephora, so I don't know if that means anything because this one's white. But we're gonna try it anyway, so yeah. Next, Versace perfume. That is what I'm talking about. Let's smell it. This is tiny, but this is fancy. Like, you know those restaurants you go to, the smaller the better. Oh, shoot. Oh gosh, oh my gosh. I'm not made for a fancy perfume, obviously, because this smells so good. Ooh, let me put the lid back on that. This is gonna be a nice special occasion perfume. Yeah, we're using that. And honestly, it's like not feminine or masculine. Like, I wouldn't mind if Mitchell smelled like this. I like that. Another, oh, this is a lip mask. I thought this was a face mask. I like this. I'm gonna try it, but what does a lip mask do? Take a lip mask, place it on a clean lip, leave it on for 10 minutes, pat until the remaining essence seeps in. I don't even know what this is for. Is it supposed to make your lips soft? Because mine are already soft. Maybe I'll wait until it's like snowing and windy and cracking out and try this. It feels like a jelly, like just a gel. And Invisible Bubble. I know this brand. This is those hair ties that don't tangle up. It's like, they look like key rings. Can you see? Yes, these are like hair rings. There's 3 of them. And they're supposed to go back, like no matter how many times you stretch them. I definitely need these because when I wear my hair in 2 poof balls, my hair tangles so bad, like so bad. Oh. Next is Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. Can you hear that? Oh, you can see it. These are honestly so disgusting when you take them out, but it's also satisfying, if you know what I'm talking about. So I love face masks. They know I need them. Oh my gosh. This box is honestly customized for me, and they didn't even ask me what I need, but these are rejuvenating eye gels. I have some of these. I have multiple different brands of these, and I don't feel like any of them work. I like put them on under my eyes. You can see, can you see? Like, I have like heavy dark circles, like bags under my eyes. And then when you take them off, you just pat in the extra. And I have one that like tightens, which I feel it tightening when I take them off. So we'll see how this one works. There's a lot of stuff in here. Pearl Brightening Daily Skin Mask. I'm pretty sure they only gave me one. So this will be a 1-day skin mask. I will not be doing it daily. You can kind of see the outline of it right now. But this one is for brightening. I'm gonna need that in the winter when I'm looking all dull and ashy on my face. The last thing in the box is a exfoliating foot mask socks. I've wanted to try these. Have you ever seen those videos where people like pull dead skin off their feet? I don't know if that's what this is. Yes, it says dead skin and calluses will peel away. So, I don't know how to work this. You wash your feet, separate the serum, leave the socks on between an hour and a half. So you can't walk, basically, I guess. Or maybe there's socks and there's just gel on the inside. Because it says avoid slippery surfaces. Rinse feet thoroughly with warm water. Dead skin and calluses will start to peel away within 7 to 10 days. Wow, okay. I'm honestly excited that I got these because it's gross, but these are gonna be so nice. Me and Mitchell do pedicures at home ourselves. So this is going to be nice. He's gonna be jealous. He's gonna be jealous of my feet. So here we have just an Anthropologie. Self-care starts with yourself, basically. Here's a $10 gift towards your next full price. So $10 off 50. I'm not gonna use this, but if any of you guys want it, you can have it. This was a nice little gift box. How many things did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 full-size product. Okay, 7 full-size product. Okay, I can't count. 6 full-size products, a mini Glam Glow, and also a mini Versace perfume, which I'm a fan of. There is promo codes in here, so we're gonna check them out real quick. I don't see any. Oh, okay. It's basically 15% off, $10 off 50. That's it. That is it. I'm not gonna use those, but you guys are more than welcome to have them if you shop at Allure or Anthropologie. And this is not bad. I paid $10 for this. This is a $10 beauty box. And it's cute. It comes, like, this is not a cheap box. Like, this is a thick box. I'm probably gonna keep this stuff in here until I use it in my bathroom. Hashtag the beauty box. So if you guys hashtag anything, make sure you tag me in it also so I can see it. I apologize for my lisp. I can really hear it right now. I'm getting my wisdom teeth breaking through and my gums are growing over them. So I have fat cheeks on the inside. You can't see it, but they're fat. And it's like over my tongue and over my teeth and I'm talking funny. And it's getting worse every video. But thank you guys for bearing with me, watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got. If you guys like any of this, sign up for the box. You can still get it until November 30th, I believe, for this box. And then the next box is something different. I think I'm still subscribed. It automatically comes out. But I like it. And this is definitely my top, I don't know how many I got, top 10. Definitely in top 10 because this was a lot of stuff. And it's stuff I'm excited to try because I need new stuff for my face. And sneak peek into the next week's video. I just got my FabFitFun box and I'm honestly excited to open that. I might go upstairs and open it now. If you guys are ready for that, let me know on Instagram and we'll make it happen. But thank you guys so much for joining me. I will see you in the next video. Check out my Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. All of it is linked below. And do not forget, I have giveaways going on. So follow me on social media and watch my other videos so you can know how to make sure you're entered to win. Thank you, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.